It all starts with two simple ingredients that create a global phenomenon.
The barley is malted, pinkout, soaked and sprouted to unlock its sugars. The malted barley is then milled into a coarse grist. Mixed with hot water in the mash tun, the starches convert into sweet, fermentable sugars.
The sweet liquid, now called wort, is separated from the grain husks.
The wort is boiled for sterilization. This is when hops are added for bitterness and aroma.
It's spun in a whirlpool to remove solid hop particles and proteins.
The wort is cooled down to the perfect temperature for yeast, ready for its next transformation.
The cooled wort moves into these giant sterile tanks. Here, yeast is added.
The green beer rests here for weeks. Flavors mellow and mature, becoming smooth. The beer is filtered to brilliant clarity, removing any remaining yeast or particles. The finished beer is stored, ready for packaging.
Every container is thoroughly washed and sterilized before filling. The packaging line fills hundreds of containers per minute, protecting the beer from oxygen. Lids are applied and hermetically sealed instantly to lock in freshness. For stability, most mass-produced beer is gently pasteurized to ensure consistent quality.
Each bottle gets its branded label with perfect alignment.
Containers are automatically packed into cartons or multi-packs.
Cases are sealed and coated for traceability.
Robots build stable pallets for shipping, layer by layer.
Pallets are wrapped to secure the load for its journey.
The final product, ready for distribution to stores and bars worldwide. From grain to glass, a process of science, tradition, and scale. If you enjoyed this brewery tour, subscribe to Ultra Process Hub for more secrets behind how things are made.